Welcome to Get Merch Made Academy. My name is Chris. This academy is for influencers that want to make money selling merch to their fans. How can my team and I, based here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, teach you and or get your merch made so that you can focus on what you do best? Create content, engage with your fans, and ultimately monetize your channel. On this page, we offer a free starter kit that includes resources that will help you work smoothly with factories in Vietnam. Click on the Get Access to get an ebook on how to make tech packs in Vietnam, a sample tech pack, a sample quantity breakdown list, and a sample quality control checklist, and more. Or message us if you have any questions. Thanks for your time. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam, where you can get your merch made at a fair price and good quality.